Hiring is expensive. Training is expensive. But you know what's really expensive? Watching your best employees leave, then realizing you could have kept them with a little bit of attention. Let's talk about employee retention strategies that actually work. Studies show replacing an employee can cost 1.5 to 2 times their salary. Beyond the money, turnover drains morale, slows productivity, and can damage your reputation as an employer. Retention isn't just an HR issue, it's a leadership issue. And so here are some key strategies. The first one is listen, really listen. Employees who feel ignored will look elsewhere. Regular check-ins and surveys show their voice matters. Number 2, competitive compensation and benefits. No, pizza parties won't replace fair pay. Compensation must match the market, or people will find one that does. Number 3 is growth opportunities. If employees don't see a path forward, they'll make one somewhere else. Training, mentoring, and promotions signal you're invested in their future. Number 4 is probably the one I talk about the most, and that's culture and belonging. Toxic environments push people out faster than low pay. Build trust, inclusion, and recognition into your culture. And number 5 is work-life balance. Flexibility is no longer a perk, it's an expectation. Respect boundaries and avoid burning people out. Before you chase the next hire, invest in the people you already have. Ask yourself, when was the last time you checked in with your team about their growth, their pay, or their workload? Because retention isn't just about keeping bodies in seats. It's about keeping people engaged, growing, and believing they are in the right place. That's your 3-minute brief. Subscribe for more leadership strategies. Share this with a colleague who's worried about turnover, and comment below. What's the number 1 reason you think employees stay or leave your organization? I'll see you on the next one.